Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Bybit app on your laptop. It's super easy and works just like a desktop app. Let's get started. First, open your browser. I'll be using Google Chrome for this tutorial. In the address bar, type bybit.com and hit enter to visit the official Bybit website. Make sure you're on the official site. It should have the Bybit logo and a secure lock icon next to the URL. Once the page loads, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Scroll down and select Cast, Save, and Share, then click on Install Page as App. A small window will pop up. Just click Install. Chrome will now install Bybit as a standalone desktop app on your laptop. Once it's done, you'll see the Bybit app open in its own window, clean and distraction-free. You can also pin it to your taskbar by right-clicking the icon and selecting Pin to Taskbar. That way you can launch it anytime with a single click. Now if you head over to your desktop, you'll notice the Bybit app shortcut right there. Double-click it and you're ready to start trading directly from your laptop. No browser needed. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Bybit app on your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.